All right, welcome to today's edition. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching this video from. Today, we are going to look at how to set up your MetaTrader app, your demo account. We are going to look at how to set up when you download the app fresh onto your phone, how you're actually going to set up your demo account and get started. So, this is what we're going to do. So, you want to go to this one is for Android devices, okay? So you want to go to Play Store, quickly search for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 4 is there, and you want to install it. I have it installed already, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, and then you can see I've opened my MetaTrader app. In fact, when you open it, it's going to, for the first time, it's going to open a demo account for you. It's going to open a demo account for you. Yes, so I've deleted that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to manage my storage, and then uh, I'm going to add account, and I'm going to open a demo account. So you can look for HF market. No, let's use AGM securities. Okay, so I'm going to set up this place, put up my name, my phone number, my email address, and I'm going to change the leverage. Is going to be same. Yeah, the leverage is okay. 1:400 is okay. Then I'm going to change this from 100,000 to 3,000. Then I create a demo account. Then I click on done. So I'm done creating my demo account. Right. So that is it. When you download the app from Play Store, you want to open it. When you open it, it takes some time. After it's open, go to your menu. The menu is located right here at the top left hand corner, those three lines. Click on it, go to manage accounts, click on the plus button, open a demo account. You search for EGM securities because you need a broker. So this broker actually gives us free money for us to be able to practice, to learn. Are you getting it? So you open an account just like I showed you. You put in your name, your phone number, your email address. You change the deposit to 3,000, and then you click on create account. Then you click on done, and you are done. So I'm going into my demo account, the one we created for, which is this one, 3,000. So my account is ready to take trades. So all I'm going to do is I'll come here to come and take trade alerts from Extreme FS Global Academy right here, and I'm also going to be using it to take my own trades. Right, so that is it. That is how to download and then set up your demo account so that you can start learning and experience the skill of forex trading. Basically, that is it. Now you want to do another thing. You want to change, when you go to the charts, so here we are the codes. When you go to the chart, these are the currency pairs that are automatically added. If you want to actually trade a currency that is not here, you simply tap on the plus button and you search for the currency. Let's say you want to do Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, it just came, I just add. Now when I go to the currencies, I'm going to see it at the down, the very last one, Euro GBP. Then I can be able to take a trade on my own. And then I go. Right. Now there's another thing that you want to do. You go to your settings, and then you go and change the color of the chart. See, this chart, it was okay. So I'm going to convert it back to how it was originally. So I go to settings, I go to colors, Then I'm going to change this, the bull and the bear. So the bull and the bear are the ones that we are concentrating on. They are the ones that shows whether a currency is appreciating or a currency is depreciating, right? So if a currency is appreciating, we buy. If it is depreciating, we sell, right? So let's go to how it was originally. So originally it was like this. Originally. And I'm going to, so you can see that this is how it's showing, right? This is how it's showing. Now I want to change this so that I can view it very well. I can be able to identify it in the best possible way. So I'm going back to the settings. I'm going to color straight, and I'm going to change it, the bull and the bear. So the bull is always the buy, so I'm changing it to green. Then the bear, which is bearish, we call it bearish candle, I'm going to change it to red, and I click on done. So that's all you do. Now when you come back here, you see that the colors are changed. We can see it very well. You can see it clearly, right? So that is how to set up your MetaTrader account ready to start taking trades. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Share with others so that you get to have access to more of these videos coming up. Thank you very much. God bless you.